Hello again. Hello, 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 hello. I'm so happy. I'm still building Lego. I can't believe it. But I'm only doing the little things. Over the next couple of days, I'm going to be doing the little things that I got from Legoland. Yes, before we start the huge sets, should I say, which will be split up into a few different builds. Yes. Make sure you give us a like, guys. Give me a subscribe. Yes. Make sure you click that notifications bell to always get notified when I have uploaded. Or when I'm live as well. Because you never know, I might do live Lego builds on here. Right then. Are we ready? We are doing the Lego City Duke Detain set. Got this from Legoland. Look at my Legoland bag there. See it? They were, I think, $9.99 or $12.99. Yes, there's 42 pieces in the whole set, and you build up 4 Lego men and a little city bank because it's the police set. So it's cops and robbers, baby. Cops and robbers. Yes. So I'm going to bring you down and we're going to build it. Now I've got the astronaut set in this as well. And I've also got 2 summertime sets, I think. Yes. So I really didn't want to cut the box. Don't have to. It's all stuck down. So that's good. I don't want to cut it. Even though I'm ripping it, I didn't want to cut it. Really, you never guess as well. You get a mould, really, don't you, of the Lego man. So it's model number 40372. I'll show you that again so you can see the model number. Yes. So you've got instructions. The littlest instructions in the world. And really, it's just showing you the pictures of the different Lego men in there and the trolley, and then how to build the bank. That's all the instructions are doing. But you've got a Lego man mold. You could do jelly in that. Don't think you could do cakes in it because basically it would melt. But you could do ice. You could do jelly. The world is yours. I've got 3 of them. 4 of them. So here's your bag of goodies here. One bag. One bag. What you gonna do? Right, the head's running away. Right then, so I've got my instructions for my models there in front of me. Believe it or not, I do need them. So we've got the lady policeman. So, policewoman, sorry. She hasn't got any glasses on. Is that the lady one? That's the lady's head. And she's wearing a hat that has hair already on it. That is pretty cool. It's got hair already on the hat. It does. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. So that's her build, basically. She's got a mean looking face on her though. Can you see? That's her build. She needs handcuffs. Yes, she needs handcuffs. Click the handcuffs. Ha! That hurt my finger. Yeah, that's her build. One done. Let's actually turn that over and stand them on the Lego box. Yes. Right, next one. Let's do the robber to go. Alright, white trousers. With lines on. So, stripes on, sorry. So he's got a beard. And he's wearing a grey hat. It's good to have things. Oh, he wants dynamite, okay. He's going to blow the bank up. Blow it up. Blow it up. Blow it up. I knocked his hat off. I'm going to get that in a second. But I'm trying to make him hold the dynamite. There we go. Right, luckily I've got my trousers on. Got the hat. Got the hat. Got the hat. Oh. Got the hat. Right, so we've got the cop and the robber. And the robber. Doodle-doodle. Now, who is this lady? Okay, I have no idea who this lady is. Oh, she's another robber. Okay. She's a happier person. Oh, wait there. I think I put the heads on the wrong way on the police lady. Yeah, she looks menacing. She should be on the robber's head. I can get the head off. Don't use your teeth. It's very bad practice to use your teeth. Very bad practice. There we go. Look. Happy police lady. I told you she looked different to what she should. I did. I just couldn't figure out what it was. Menacing face on the robber. She may be a nice robber, but obviously not, because she's got a menacing face. And a crowbar. And a crowbar. Okay. She means business. She wants to get in the bank. Yeah. She wants to get in the bank. Yep, now we've got one more to do. One more. He looks like a special agent or something. He does. Head. He's got cool sunglasses and cool curly black hair. And the handset. That his hand won't fit in. So yeah. Here's a little FBI man there. So we've got to move these around a minute to fit. You know something's going to happen. Stand them up there. Can everybody see them? Oh, stand up. I know you're meant to be menacing, but stand up. Ta-da! There we are. Stood up. She listened to me. Right, turn it over. And then we will start building the bank. The bank. The bank. It's an ATM machine. I've never built an ATM machine before. That's pretty cool. Right, which way round does that go? Goes that way round. I've never built an ATM machine. Never. Never. Why is the weights? Oh, they're not weights. They're wheels. To go on the trolley. I don't understand why there's a trolley. For the crooks, do you think? To carry the ATM machine out that I'm now putting all the money in? Possibly. So there should be 2 grey. Yep, 2 greys. Yeah. And then this, believe it or not, sits in there. I made an ATM machine. That is funky. And then we have the trolley. So that when they take the ATM machine out, it sits on the trolley and they can run away. Okay, I like this. I like this set. 2 sets of handcuffs. 2 sets of handcuffs. Let's give 1 set to the FBI special man. So then he's got some handcuffs and a speakerphone. So even in this set, you get a spare item. That's pretty cool. Oh, they all fell down. Right, that's it. That's it built. That's pretty cool. Right, so we've got the trolley and the ATM. And we've got the FBI man, if he will stand up for me. And he won't. And we got the police lady. And then we got the 2 burglars. I'm keeping them as far away from the bank as possible. So how's that then? Ta-da! Da-da-da-da-da. And a Lego mold for whatever you want with. Yes. So thank you for joining me. Thank you. Don't forget to give it a like and give it a subscribe, guys. And happy Lego building. Goodbye.